In this video, we're going to be looking at some vocabulary to help you with the IELTS Academic Writing Task 1, the line graph. We're going to be looking at how to say line goes up, how to say line goes down, and how to say line remains the same in many different ways. Let's have a look at the graph. In this graph, we can see that it is about YouTube videos created in the millions in the UK. And as you can see, the graph generally goes up. Here are some phrases to say the line graph goes up. Between 2016 and 2021, the amount of YouTube videos created increased in the UK. Between 2016 and 2021, the amount of YouTube videos created grew steadily in the UK. The amount of YouTube videos created in the UK peaked in 2021. The amount of YouTube videos produced in the UK increased dramatically between the years 2018 and 2020, with the number doubling from 6 million to 12 million. The years between 2016 and 2021 saw the amount of videos rise from 4 million to around 13 million. The amount of YouTube videos produced in the UK consistently rose between 2016 and 2021. Sometimes, however, the line goes down. Let's have a look at some interesting ways to say the line goes down. In this map, we can see the amount of YouTube videos produced by the USA. And as you can see, it has a steep downward trajectory. So let's have a look at ways to describe the graph going down. Between 2018 and 2021, the amount of YouTube videos produced went down in the USA. Between 2018 and 2021, the amount of videos created dropped rapidly in the USA. The amount of YouTube videos created in the USA dropped between 2018 and 2021. The amount of YouTube videos created in the USA fell between 2018 and 2021. The amount of YouTube videos produced by the USA dramatically declined between 2018 and 2021, with the number more than halving, 20 million and just under 10 million. In the year 2018, the amount of YouTube videos created in the USA plummeted from 20 million to 15 million. The amount of YouTube videos produced by the USA consistently dropped in every year from 2018 to 2021. And of course, sometimes the line remains around the same. So let's have a look at some ways to say that the line remains stable. Here is the graph of YouTube videos produced in Australia between 2016 and 2021. As we can see, it stays relatively the same. So let's have a look at how we can say that. Between 2016 and 2021, the amount of YouTube videos produced remained stable in Australia. Between 2016 and 2021, the amount of videos produced fluctuated mildly in Australia. The amount of YouTube videos created in Australia peaked at 8 million in 2018. But between 2017 and 2021, the amount of YouTube videos hovered between 6 million and 8 million. The amount of YouTube videos produced in Australia remained relatively steady between 2017 and 2021, staying within the range of 6 million to 8 million. If you would like more detail on how to write the line graph question for the IELTS Academic Writing Task 1, check out this video. I go through the whole thing. Good luck and smash those exams.